Today I have the huge honor to speak with Ranjeet. He's Director of AI and UX at Informatica. Thanks for joining. My first and only big question, because you are really at the top of AI, you know everything in this area and you're really expert. Do we have a value of UX in the future or in the area of AI?
Yeah, thank you, Hannes. Thanks for this opportunity. I think, see, we are in a very interesting times now. Okay. And this is once in a lifetime opportunity, especially the transformation we are in. Okay. And experience is everything. Experience gonna change the whole thing. We are getting into this whole experience economy, right? So the value of UX is always a business, right? It's a business driver, right? UX is all about, it's beyond aesthetics. It's not about aesthetics. It's about business drivers. It's all about value creation, right? Whether it's actually customer loyalty, increasing efficiency, conversations, and business growth. Okay. But now with the AI, the whole phenomena dimension of this value curve is growing tremendously, right? Especially it's beyond interfaces, it's beyond user interfaces. It's more of figuring out how do you actually, it's basically like, reducing the less cognitive load and adding
Mhm.
high level of value and trust. And because the AI getting into this thing is actually giving the ability of autonomy that,
Mhm.
without our thing, the systems can be able to do this. And to do this effectively, UX is the only differentiator,
Mhm.
right? It's all about how you really design stuff and how do you actually integrate stuff. End of the day, the basics of fundamentals of design still exists in terms of understanding users, empathizing them, and helping them to be successful. That's how I look
Okay,
at it.
thank you. So one more question, because then we are over 5 minutes. What is the typical job description in the future? Is it a UX prototyper, a designer, visual designer? Is it the researcher? Is it the manager? What do you think?
What was your question? So these
The,
tools.
the typical UX profession in the
Okay.
future in the area of AI, is it the prototyper, the tester, the researcher, the UX manager? What do we need in the future?
I think all these roles will get merged into one role, value creator.
Oh, cool. Thank you
Because
so much.
because
That's a great answer.
yeah, because this all will run away. If you look at this thing, right? This is where I think designers really get out of that Figma mode or prototyping mode, right? It's all about understanding. We are in the era of vibe coding, right? Your natural language prompts can do a lot of things, which providing a lot of intent classification, and especially beyond these prototypes, right? So you have all this intelligence in place, right? So it's all about how do you deliver value. It's end of the day, get out of that particular roles in terms of visual design, because there is also no interface to an extent,
Yeah.
right? It's all about intelligence to achieve. How are we going to use that intelligence to accomplish a user task, which means understanding the user real goals. And we are an enablers to collaborate, initiate, and execute.
Cool. Thank you so much. These 5 minutes are over. Um, Ranjit will join the World Disability Congress next year again. So, but you also can join this year. So thank you for your answer, and we will see us in the next session. Thank you, Ranjit.
Thank you, Hannes. Thank you for the opportunity.
You're welcome.